In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the region setting in your Kalodata account. Let's make sure you can customize your settings for an optimal experience based on your location. To start, ensure you are logged into your Kalodata account and have made your way to the main dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be greeted by the familiar interface of the main dashboard where all your essential tools and information reside. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will notice a region option. This is generally displayed by showing your currently selected region, allowing you to know at a glance what your current region setting is. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to spot once you're familiar with the interface. If you can't see it immediately, take a moment to scan through the top navigation bar, as sometimes it might be amongst other icons or tools. Once you've located the region option, go ahead and click on it. With a simple click, a drop-down menu will appear before you. This menu lists all the available regions you can switch to, offering you the flexibility to adjust your settings to fit different locations, which can be especially useful if you're traveling or if your operations span multiple countries. Browse through the drop-down list until you find the region that you wish to change to. Take a moment to consider your choice, whether you're switching to align with a new project, improve your connection, or ensure data compliance with regional standards. Each region might come with its own set of settings and benefits, so select your chosen region thoughtfully. After selecting the desired region, simply click on it, and it will be applied to your account settings. This change should be reflected almost immediately, with the new region appearing in the same spot you originally clicked. Keep in mind, if any additional settings or adjustments are required due to your new location, such as changes in time zones or currency display, it should be easy to manage through your account settings. And that's it. You've successfully updated the region setting on your Kalodata account, making sure your experience is perfectly tailored to your current needs. Remember, you can revisit this process whenever necessary to make additional changes. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to consult Kalodata's help resources or reach out to their support team. They are there to help ensure your experience with their platform is seamless and efficient. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy a smoother, more customized Kalodata experience.